work it is. So, magnets are on. Terrible job. I had to do it like this, so since it's curved I cannot use a long piece and do all the magnets at once. I had to do it by hand. So, did I start from here? I think this side, yeah. So, I put this in, then added the first magnet, did this whole row. Then I use spacers and glue one magnet, spacer, one magnet, spacer, one magnet. Boopity doop 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 doop, like that. And I used spray glue. Doesn't work at all. I could have known. Spray adhesive contact cement tends to have what do you call it? Slip. It's called something differently, but I can't find the name. So the magnets want to be together, so it slips slightly, slow together. So it's completely useless. Then I have to clean all the magnets I put on and the metal. Then try again. Then I did almost the whole panel. Yeah, I did a whole panel, but it was offset, so not in the middle. Then I decided to use something like this. I thought I can eyeball it, but apparently I cannot. So today I just, spent 3 hours gluing in magnets, getting them off, cleaning the magnets, cleaning the metal, gluing them on, getting them off. At least now I have two ready. Oh, another thing is, the method I thought was cool and easy, put this metal in a groove. It is, but it's prone to some resonance, so I might have to add glue on the back side as well to prevent that. So normally you probably put the whole thing together with glue in the groove. I don't know, maybe I thought about it today, maybe design something completely else, because although everything on paper looks really easy, it takes me ages to make. It's not easy at all. It's easily said than done. Well, I think that's exactly what is happening here. So here's one with metal on it. I wanted to know if I bend this metal a little bit, the magnets itself hold in. They kind of do. Except for here. So this should be removable. That is nice. Maybe next time I just use some extra magnets to put a front on it. Although a metal front is not what I wanted, but for now it is a fast method of testing. It might induce some, abnormalities in the frequency response though. But we'll see. I made 2 of these ribbons. Corrugated one, not sure where it is. Oh, here it is. Then I noticed it's way too small. So this sits like sort of here. It's about that too small. So now I'm doing again 3 pieces. That's what you hear in the background, cutting new ones. So today I just do or redo things at least twice. I mean, cannot make something in one go. Have to do it twice or 3 times, maybe even more. I mean, there's still enough time in the day to do something quadruple times. So that's my mylar with adhesive. Super 77. This is my cut foil. I almost had to do it a 3rd time. There, it fucked up. But thank God I have 3. And the reason why it fucked up was because my program was not correct. If I noticed it before I was weeding out all this stuff, I might be able to save that one as well. So what I did is I adjusted the program and recutted everything. Now thank God the accuracy is high enough to do this. So it cut exactly the same pattern, and I could weed out the thing I needed. So now it's fine. I want a little bit. Now what the fuck? Now we have to cut through this tape as well, so I'll add a little bit more weight to be sure it cuts through the tape. I wonder how easy it is to get it off, because I had some overspray from the first time I did this, and Super 77 is well, a little bit stronger than Reman, so I hope I can get these off. If not, I don't know what I will do, because I think then I might have enough failures for one day. So yeah. That's one. I really dislike this method with added adhesive, etc. It does make it possible to cut the aluminium. This is 12 micron, and normally it tends to rip while cutting. When adding a layer of Super 77, you can cut it, and it worked so far 5 times out of 5 times. So that's really nice. Now this one might be fucked. Yeah, there's a small nick here. Still think you can fix that, but this will not be the one I'll use unless I really have to. Get the fuck out. Yeah, so this is kind of correct. So, yeah, I'm gonna make the second one, and well, I can try things. This is what I want to try, because I'm pretty sure this will work. Oh shit. God damn it. We will lose some output by doing this. But I think I tried it with the 180 thing as well. It keeps the foil neater in the spot where it's supposed to be. There is a method of doing the exact same thing without adding useless coil, but it's a lot of work. I'm not gonna do it right now. That is, give the traces a wiggle. If you draw a line, the wiggle should overlap. So in this case, then it will be supported almost everywhere. That's kind of the idea. Problem is that a tiny bit of aluminium is in the opposite side of the magnetic field, but it's just such a piece, so I'm not sure if that really matters. You could do this when the material is still in the cutting mat. Is that true? Yes. Then let the machine cut it evenly. But this works as well. It's not that light. I mean, I use thin aluminium, but it still weighs quite a lot. I wonder if thicker aluminium, more traces, might come close to this because the glue, the glue, etc. does not help at all. So next video, I'll play one song just with the current setup, which is janky as shit. It all has to do with the amount of foam pushing on the ribbon, and although the foam is the same on both sides of the ribbon, somehow it pushes more inwards than the foil resonates and shit. So tomorrow I'm gonna try one thing. I'm gonna make these kind of thingies, about half as thick. I'm not sure if the machine is capable of doing that. I'm pretty sure it will if I, tape it to something else. So this has the same curve, and now there's tape on the bottom, but my idea is double-sided foamy tape. My idea is I'll do the same but with tape on the top. And I have this leftover membrane that I'm gonna re-corrugate because I flattened it a little bit. Add some of these sideway stiffeners thingies, and then just floop-de-doo. It's not gonna be that easy, but I'm gonna put it on this foamy stuff and then just gently push it inwards. If that works, yeah, if that works, that will be nice. It's less foam stuff, which is a bit random. If you push the foam in, you push the membrane closer to the magnets, but if you do this unevenly or whatever, yeah, things become weird. So, I'm just gonna try it. I don't know, maybe it doesn't work at all. Maybe I do need the foam, and then I have to come up with something else. At the moment, in the next video where you hear one tune, I think it's gonna be random. They're both, yeah. On one version, on the right speaker, I added slightly thinner foam, and well, that works, but it loses out on 3 dB. So that's an indication that the left speaker that uses the old foam, which is a bit taller, pushes the membrane further inwards, which you gain SPL. But I had to fiddle around to not touch the magnets, and now it doesn't touch the magnets, and it's still more efficient, although the coil is the same efficiency. So also lining up with the magnets is quite hard in this method because I cannot see what I'm doing. So making sort of a bended frame that you can like adjust to the magnets might be easier, and potentially you get all the efficiency there is to get. You know, in the other version maybe the ribbon is slightly off the magnets, and that will hurt the efficiency and probably other things as well. So yeah, I'm gonna make these kind of things tomorrow. I think it's really cool that you can make such a thing, but yeah. So this first failed version might come in handy in this case to just do another test, and then if that works much better, yeah, I might have to rethink or redo the other two panels. Who knows? See you next time. Next video on this evening is gonna be one tune, and then maybe, hopefully, tomorrow or the day after I have some more information of this particular idea, if that works or not. See ya. Bye bye.